Today we finally finished up our ceiling. We are Bram and Simon. Last 8 weeks were amazing. Starting with an empty cargo van, we are now shaping it into our home. It's time to finish up the ceiling and prepare for off-grid living. With a lot of packages coming in, we almost don't know where to start. But at least one of us is very excited about the presents, as Bram calls them. Come and take a look.
We can take this ride wherever it goes. As long as you're with me, I feel at home.
Good morning. Today we're going to try and finish up the ceiling.
And welcome to a new week of our van build.
And welcome to a new week. So what I said was we're going to try and finish up the ceiling today. So hopefully we will get it done. Let's get started.
Nice new head.
Thank you.
To make sure we've got enough light at the end of the bed, Bram placed a little piece of LED strip at the end.
Now that the LED strips are all done, we can now continue with the ceiling.
Yeah, finally.
Finish it, yeah, finally.
Okay, let's go.
Yep.
Only one to go. We're missing just one. So let's do that one. Today we finally finished up our ceiling and we are really happy with it. I think it's a real eye catcher. It costed us so much time, especially the LED strips. I think it's worth every single minute we put into it. We only have to do one seam here in the middle, but we will finish that up later. Tomorrow we're going to the store to see some fridges, so I will see you tomorrow. Most things we need for the van we just order online. That's more convenient and we don't have to go to the store all the time. And a fridge is something we don't want to buy online, but we just want to see it in person. So today we went to the store and checked them out. And I'm very happy we did so, because the fridge we intended to buy wasn't what we were looking for. It was smaller than we thought and the layout wasn't what we wanted. So we've bought another fridge, and we even bought solar panels. We're searching for solar panels for a while now, and in the store they had solar panels that were just right, the right measurements for us and the right power. So we bought 2 solar panels too, and some small things we needed. And now we're on our way back. Now our solar panels are in. We can't wait to install them, but before we can install the solar panels we need new brackets for our roof rack. So while we're waiting on our laundry, Bram is editing the brackets, so hopefully we can order them later today and install our solar panels soon.
We took all the measurements again for the brackets. Everything seems to be alright. So I'm going to order the brackets now, and in about a week we will have it, and then we can install the roof rack finally. So let's hope everything will fit. Presents!
More packages. Electrical stuff. As I told you last week, we're always a little bit distracted when packages arrive. I think it's even worse when it's electrical stuff, at least for Bram. So let's open them first. It's one thing.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's massive.
This is our inverter.
Next one.
Battery protect.
Stuff sometimes. Ooh, what a tiny thing.
Oh, this is our BMS. Well, our system that monitors everything.
Happy as a child.
This is the display,
What display?
where we can control everything and see all the data. Now I want to do this instead of the stupid ceiling. This is the relay to charge while driving. This is the main component. This will be connected here.
And that is?
The battery management system. And this will be on this side. This is what all the DC out will be connected to. Now it's empty. So cool.
Let's go on with the ceiling.
There's one too.
Oh, I keep sinking into your blue, into your blue. Yeah, I keep sinking into your blue, into your blue. Stars, I keep seeing stars inside your eyes. In my mind, I'm holding on to all the sparks flying through the dark while we collide.
More presents!
Even more present.
A heavy present.
It's a really heavy present. Let's open it up. Whoa. It's even heavier.
But
We're trying to finish the ceiling, but Bram is so annoying. He doesn't. He's done with today, and he's really annoying me.
Yeah,
No.
it's the other way around. Simon is really done with today.
Yeah, I'm done.
And I want to start with
Yeah, he
the
wants to.
electrics.
Yeah. But we want to push through because this has to be done
Yeah, so
someday.
come on.
Okay, let's do it. It's cold, and I don't know what to say more because I'm just way too cold. But at least someone is happy.
I am. Because today is finally the day that I can start with the battery and all the electrics. So my goal is to get the battery up and running before tonight. So let's see.
So at least someone is happy today to work. I'm going to start too, because maybe when I'm working I'm getting a little bit warmer. So let's go. I turn on the diesel heater, and to show you the problem, this is what's happening when we use power while the LEDs are on. But when the battery is working, maybe later today,
I hope so.
I hope so, then we can try and see if the problem is really fixed with the battery. Oh, and what did you do this morning?
Nothing?
And what is this?
The dogs did it.
What happened?
While I was hard at work,
No, you weren't working at all.
I maybe pushed the camera, the leg of the camera, so it fell onto the lens.
Yeah.
So, well, the lens is fine, but the little solar cap in front of it is broken.
Yeah. I always kept an UV filter in front of my lens for situations like this.
Whoops! It's not the expensive thing I've broken, so,
No.
well, could be worse. Could also be better, but
The temperature has gone up a little bit, so I'm feeling a little bit better too. I started cleaning the floor so I can insulate it. We hope we haven't forgot any cables, because after insulating we're going to mount the floor definitely, so Bram can install all the electrical stuff and then the floor can't go out again. So I'm going to insulate, and hopefully we can install all the electrics this evening.
evening now, and today did not go as I hoped it would go because I've ordered the wrong parts, so I have to send it back and order new parts, and that will take a couple of days. And I broke a camera lens, sorry. So all in all, today was not a good day for building.
So next week, a new week.
And hopefully a better week.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And we see you next week.
See you next week.
Bye bye.
Bye.